The internet makes it easy to do things, like watch TV and movies, keep in touch with friends and family, and find important information. More and more, you need to use the internet to access government services or apply for a job. In our Finding Things Online video, we talked about the different ways to get to a website. Now, we will look at how to find your way around a website once you're there. As a refresher, the quickest way to get to a website is to open your browser and put the website address in the address bar at the top. The website address always has the website name to the left of the dot and the domain to the right. This is an example of a popular website that lets people buy and sell things. It's called Kijiji, and you can reach it by typing kijiji.ca into your browser's address bar. In addition to buying and selling things, people use Kijiji to find pets to adopt, homes or apartments to rent, job opportunities, and many other things. Most websites are divided into different sections. A lot of them have headings called menus that open up a list of choices when you click on them, or sometimes when you just move the pointer over them. These are similar to the menus that you'd find in other programs like Microsoft Word or Excel. In this case, when we move the pointer over the real estate section, a menu appears. Moving the pointer over each one of the menu items shows us that it's a link that leads us somewhere else. In this case, the subsection on properties for rent or sale. A site like this can seem overwhelming because there are so many offerings, but you can use filters to narrow your search, so you'll see only the information you're interested in. For example, you can click on the filter labeled All Categories at the top and choose from the menu of different sections: Buy and Sell, Services, Cars and Vehicles, and so on. Then click on the filter for area and pick whatever province, territory, or city you want. Then click the search button to get your filtered results. Almost every website, search engine, browser, app, and program uses a magnifying glass to mean search. Now you'll see just real estate listings in Alberta. As you can see, even with the use of filters, there is still a lot of posts, so you can use the filters again to narrow things down even more. You'll see them now on the left side of the page, but they still work the same way. Most websites also have a search box that lets you type in whatever you're looking for. To use it, click on the box, type what you want to find, and click the search button. For example, if you type "for rent," it gives you some common options to choose from. If you want to use one of these, click it. If you don't, just go ahead and press enter. On some sites, you can also combine the search box with filters. For example, you might put long-term rental in the search box and set the filters to real estate and Alberta. Now you can add some additional filters so you can find what you're looking for. And just like that, you've narrowed the results dramatically. You can add additional filters to reduce it further. For more information on online basics, check out the other videos in the series. Visit our website at telus.com/wiseonlinebasics.